Hello, grade 2 class. Hope you all are fine at home and you are doing studies properly also. In drawing session, first we done drawing, then we done craft, then again we done drawing, and this is our fourth session. In this fourth session, again we are learning craft. You are using your pencil, so if you daily studies, you are using your pencil. I am planning to we can do something creative for this pencil, and you can love to use this pencil also. Okay, so I have idea, so let's decorate your pencil. Okay, so I am using some interesting craft to decorate your pencil. In your compass box you have different color of pencil. Okay, so same I am using this pencil and making some fun craft for you, and this is very easy for grade 2 class. Hope you can do your home properly without taking any helps. Okay, so let's start. We require some color paper cutout. See, small square cutout color paper. Okay, small square. You can use your craft paper, colorful, and cut it in small shapes. I will show you. Okay, this pencil, Fevicol, marker, and sellotape, scissor. This is our material. Okay, so let's start making. I am thinking about this pencil butterfly. So what we do, I am taking yellow sheet and I am planning to make a butterfly. Okay, so let's fold the sheet properly. I am taking two small square of yellow paper and together I am folding. See, observe the video carefully. Okay, and I am drawing nice butterfly. Hope it is, if you taking easy shape, so you will draw and cut it properly. I draw the butterfly. See, okay, so then I am cutting this butterfly shapes using a scissor and I am cutting the butterfly. See, so I complete the two, cut properly one, and this is second. Okay, so this part we can cut some color paper and we can try to decorate the butterfly. Okay, so I am taking blue color sheet and cutting a small circle. I will show you step by step. Okay, don't worry. I fold the sheet and then I again draw the circle on this sheet, small circle. I draw the circle. See, and then I am cutting the circle. Cutting is ready. So let's start sticking the circle. If you Decorate your pencil nicely, so you will love to write your homework, classwork, whatever you will studies at home. So using this pencil, you must be like your pencil and you enjoy your writing also. So that's why I am choose this idea. Hope you will like and you do better. Let it dry 2 minutes and I am sticking again here. Then I am cutting orange small strip for decoration purpose. Put the Fevicol and stick in the center. You can hold it behind. Again same. See. Then what you do, take the sellotape, whatever your place available, transparent or paper sellotape, remove the sellotape. If your butterfly is dry properly, stick it behind the sellotape and trying to stick the butterfly. See my pencil. It is very interesting, right? So back side again we are sticking same thing. This is my paper sellotape. Again I am folding and sticking the back side of the pencil. So nicely press it. See, our pencil is ready. You can, using this pencil, you can draw something, you can write something, what you want. Hope you like this. Your pencil will be creative. I have one more idea. I will show you. Draw the eyes also. If you want to draw the smiley, so you can draw the smiley also. See, first I am drawing the circle, big circle. Then I am making the eyes. Using the yellow paper and cutting the smiley. Use the marker, do the outline. If you want to color, so you can color it. Okay. I have red crayon. I am coloring and then I am cutting. You can choose yellow paper, any kind of paper, any color you like this. See, again cut the sellotape. You can take transparent tape also, okay, whatever available your place. This is my another pencil, so same thing I am doing. Sticking the smiley on my pencil. See, our pencil is ready. Back side also you can stick if you want. Full pencil you can decorate whatever the 4-3 in available your compass box, you can decorate and you can draw the character also different what you like, butterfly, sunflower, any kind of cartoon character. You can draw it, cut it and stick it to your pencil and make it more interesting for your studies purpose. Hope you like this assignment and you can complete at home very well. Now bye bye and take care.